In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert horizontal video to vertical video in CapCut. So what you want to do is you want to open up CapCut and you want to create a new project and then select any video. Click on add. And as you can see, you have these things right at the bottom and you can click on ratio. And from here you can change to TikTok ratio. You can see change to Instagram, YouTube again, and you have these other formats. But basically that's it. And once you're happy, click the check mark at the bottom and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.